Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to fix eligibility issue on FanDuel. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. So if you're having the eligibility issues, that means there's a problem with your account verification or location. So in order to fix it, what you need to do is verify your location. FanDuel users used to be in a state where their services are legal. Enable location services on a mobile device. GPS location services should be turned on a computer. Install and enable the Geo Comply plugin or extension. Check your state laws. FanDuel operates in select states for sports betting, daily fantasy or casino games. Confirm you are in a supported state for the specific service you are using. Use Wi-Fi if you are on your mobile data. Switching to a Wi-Fi network may improve location accuracy. Avoid VPNs. And number second is complete identity verification. FanDuel requires you to verify your identity to comply with legal and regulatory requirements. Ensure accurate information like your name, date of birth, address, and social security number must match official records. Upload necessary documents like government ID if requested. Upload proof of address as well, and check for typos. Even small errors in your information can cause eligibility issues. Number third is address age restrictions. You must be at least 18 years old, 21 in some states to use FanDuel, so you should verify your age and resolve any account restrictions. Like if your account is flagged for security or eligibility concerns, contact FanDuel support or respond to the emails that you need to verify your account. And lastly is ensure you are in compliance with FanDuel. Avoid duplicate accounts, and prohibited participants like certain individuals, example sports team employees or athletes, may be ineligible for certain games. So that's basically what you can do, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did. Comment down below what the next video should be on. Consider subbing to the channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.